Alrighty, today we work on the Suzuki GSX S750. This is a 2018. I love this bike. I like the body, it's in matte black. Today I'm going to take and remove my mirrors. Go from the rabbit ears to the CRG's Aero bar end mirrors. I'm going to put this on there. Now, I bought these a few weeks ago. Well, actually I got them for Christmas. And I attempted to put them on, but then I found that the bar ends here, it's not hollow in there. It's got a little look like a permanent nut in there, so I had to get creative. I searched on the internet and I seen what people were doing, so what I did is I went out and purchased the internal adapter and I kind of customized it and I cut it down. What you see on there, I just spray painted. I just wanted to give it a solid black color, and I got some washers to add to it, to just for when it sits on there, and I'll put that on there and show you what I mean. Alrighty, what I decided I'm going to do is, instead of attaching the bar in here, mirror there, I'm going to pretty much keep this and then attach to the outside of this. And the way I'm going to do that is I'm going to take this, take one of these, set it in there. Well, hold on. And my screw. Take my screw. And then I want to take me. I got this washer where it has a little rubber piece on one side and it's just a regular washer. Big washer goes there. And I take two of these little washers. And I'm only doing this because I wanted to create a way for it to bottom out instead of just hanging in there. Something for support once it fits into that. And that's what I was looking for. And it just sits on there like that. And voila. Now I have my bar in. And I can adjust it. Have my bar ends on. Now I can adjust it to however I like. And I will do all that a little bit later. Right now I just wanted to get it on there. And it's nice and snug. Alrighty. And then I will just repeat this other end and I will show you the finished project. I don't know if I showed it, but that's the little screw that's in my bar. And I don't know how to remove it, so I figured I'd just bet not, and I worked around it. So I went from that to this. I think it looks pretty good. I mean, it sticks out a little bit more here, but if you notice, if you need to, you can bring it in. It ain't gonna hurt. So that's not bad. Alrighty, here's when I'm both on. Now I'm ready to take my rabbit ears off. Ready, taking my rabbit ears off. You know, everybody probably already knows this. You pull this up. Loosen this. So you can either just unscrew that first, or you can screw it from the bottom. Either direction, it's a matter of twisting it off. Now later, I'm going to go to the hardware store and just grab me a bolt, stick it there, and probably just paint the bolt black and get it even to that and just stick it right in there. Or I will go get the ram mount and stick it in there. But that's for a later project. But right now, just to cover it up, I will probably just put a bolt in there and spray paint the bolt. And this is what it looks like without the ears. Now all I got left is to adjust my mirrors and test it and have fun with it, but it ain't gonna happen today. Due to this nice weather out here. Since all this nice weather's out here, I ain't going nowhere. Well, that was fun.